What if the universe has been trying to contact us, and we've been too afraid to listen? In 1977, a signal came from deep space, so perfect, so structured that the scientist who found it circled it and wrote just one word: wow. That signal has never been explained, and it gets so much stranger. Space isn't just vast. It's wrong in places. Today we're diving into the most chilling, most baffling mysteries lurking beyond our solar system. Things that shouldn't exist, signals that defy explanation, and cosmic structures so bizarre they've made scientists question everything. Stick around, because one of these might genuinely keep you up tonight. Section 1. The Wow Signal, a message we can't decode. August 15th, 1977. Astronomer Jerry Emmon is scanning radio data from a telescope in Ohio. Then he sees it. A 72-second burst of radio waves, incredibly strong, coming from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. It matched exactly what scientists thought an alien transmission would look like. Emmon circled it, wrote "wow" in the margin, and that's how it got its name. Here's the terrifying part. We've been listening for nearly 50 years. That signal has never repeated, never been explained. Natural sources can't account for it. So what sent it? Some researchers now believe it could have been a hydrogen-powered alien spacecraft. Others think it was a one-time broadcast, like someone pointing a flashlight at us, just once, and then going dark. The universe winked at us, and then said nothing. Section 2. The Great Attractor. Something is pulling everything now. Here's something that'll mess with your sense of reality. Our entire galaxy, the Milky Way, is moving, not drifting, not coasting. Hurtling at over 1 million miles per hour toward something. Scientists call it the Great Attractor. It sits about 150 million light-years away, and we cannot see it, because it's hidden behind the densest part of our own galaxy. We can only detect its pull. Hundreds of thousands of galaxies all being dragged toward this one region of space. What's there? Our best guess? A supercluster of mass so enormous it warps the large-scale structure of the universe itself. But here's what nobody talks about. We're heading straight for it, and we have absolutely no idea what we'll find. Okay, pause. Does any of this scare you as much as it fascinates you? Because it only gets weirder from here. Section 3. The Boats. Void, a hole in the universe. Imagine looking at a map of the universe. Billions of galaxies, clustered together like foam on water. But now imagine a hole. Not a small hole. A supervoid 330 million light-years across. Almost completely empty. This is the Boats. Void. And it shouldn't exist. In a universe that formed from the Big Bang, where matter should be somewhat evenly distributed, this region has almost nothing. A handful of galaxies rattling around in a space that should hold thousands. Some cosmologists call it one of the most mysterious structures ever discovered. One researcher half-jokingly said, if the void is natural, it's very strange. If it's not natural, it's terrifying. Think about that. An emptiness so vast, so perfectly hollow, it looks almost deliberate. Section 4. Fast radio bursts. The universe is screaming. In 2007, astronomers discovered something new, something that had no name yet, a flash of radio energy from outside our galaxy, lasting less than a millisecond. But that millisecond, it released more energy than our sun produces in 3 days. They called them fast radio bursts, FRBs. Since then, we've detected hundreds. Some repeat. Most don't. None are fully explained. The leading theories: colliding neutron stars, evaporating black holes, exotic physics we haven't discovered yet. But one hypothesis, peer-reviewed, published in a legitimate journal, suggests they could be propulsion signatures. Vast alien ships using directed energy to accelerate through space. Think about what that means. Every time we detect a burst, something somewhere just moved. Climax key ionicide. Here's tears. What ties all of this together? The universe isn't silent. It's full of signals, structures, and forces we can't explain. We've had 13 billion years of cosmic history above our heads, and we've only been looking up seriously for about 100 years. We are infants, staring at an ocean we've never swum in, and the ocean, it might be staring back. The wow signal, the great attractor, a hollow in space that looks designed, bursts of energy that move like engines. None of these have clean answers, and that's exactly what makes them so haunting. The cosmos is ancient, enormous, and deeply strange, and we've barely scratched the surface. If this rattled something in your brain, smash that like button. It helps more people find this rabbit hole. Subscribe if you want to keep going deeper, and drop a comment. Which one of these terrified you most? Because the void may be silent, but we're still listening.